Okay, so now Bitskout is inside your Asana account. You have imported the project. In this case, I imported a different one called sales contracts. And now what you want to do is you want to run a Bitskout workflow. For example, in this case, we're going to extract information from car sales contract to Asana fields. To do that, you need to go to Customize and make sure that the Bitskout is installed in this project. And then you need to add a rule. We're going to create a custom rule, and first thing that we need to do is choose a trigger. There are different triggers you can use any one you want. For our case, for demo purposes, I'm going to use a special custom field that I have created to show examples. It's called AI status field, and then I'm going to choose a trigger AI status change to a value called contracts. You see that I've created many values just to run it as an examples in different projects. Now, the next thing is very important. In the next, we're going to choose an action. An action, you need to scroll down and find an action called Run Bitskout Workflow. As there are many workflows, you need to choose the one that you're going to use for that task. And for that, we have created previously a workflow called Card Sales Contract, okay, which extracts information from a PDF. Now you need to select a source. In this case, a source is either a task attachment, which is a PDF file or any other file, or a task description if you want to analyze text. As we analyze files, you need to choose task attachments. And then you need to select a field where the result of the execution will be, of the workflow will be reflected. In this case, I'm going to select the same AI status field. And once it's done, I want to have a status completed, and if it fails, I want to have a status error. And this way we're going to create the rule. So now the rule is created, so here it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to run it. And the moment it happens, now the rule is running. Okay, so now it has finished running, it was completed, and okay, so we have some data extracted. Now, if there will be an error, then the status of this field would change to errors. And it means something happened and you need to have a look. So this is how you run a workflow on an Asana task.